Yeah.
I'll be fine.
All right.
Don't take a picture.
So,
Dip under this.
Do not take any pictures of me.
all right. So here we are back at the build, and as it turns out, I got two of a couple of my favorite women here helping, and the truss is ready to go up. And I've got Catherine's on. She's going to tug on the rope, and she doesn't need to go fast.
Slowly.
Just
real
go,
slowly.
just go steady. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
And so go ahead, and we've got it all fixed, so it just easily
We hope.
pulls up. Yeah. Hope there's no issues. It's the first time we've done it like this, but it sure looks like it's going all
Let
right.
go.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, hang on. There is an issue. Let it back down again, please. Easy. The rope's on the wrong side. I can see it now. We're going to put the rope inside. Yeah.
Inside or the right side?
All right, hang on a minute.
Stop it.
Here. No, you take it. Just watch. Throw it right over there.
You guys told me to do that.
Huh?
I don't wanna-
There. Now when it goes up, it won't.
You don't think she should be this side?
No, it don't matter.
Okay.
I'm fine. All right.
All right, here we go again.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.
And we got blocks so that it can only go up so far. And the gable end truss, I've actually got a strap at the top tied off to a tree so that it doesn't pull the gable end over.
It's just easier when it gets to the top, and I don't want it to.
Yeah.
She's up.
No, you can go more. Not there yet.
Don't keep it taut, Catherine.
Keep a little pressure on
Boom. Bomba.
it. Now,
See the spacers he has? I don't know if you can see them.
I know.
They're about 22 inches
Wrap it around.
space between each truss.
Put a silk on there.
and then I gotta go up, and hopefully this is as easy as it looks, but it's gonna be higher than I can reach. So let's see.
Just aiming it at the ground.
Huh?
Just aiming it at the ground.
Jimmy, you need your big ladder if you're going up there. You need this.
No, I gotta reach up to there.
I know, you need the silver ladder.
If this was up to that next piece.
We're not going to move that anymore. We already discussed that.
And it could have been underneath too. Okay, you stop the video.